Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So how to install KB5028851 .NET firmware 4.8.1 in Windows 11 and 22H2. Okay, this is latest. Okay, so firstly guys, open any browsers like Chrome and Mozilla. Okay, come on Google, then type micro Microsoft catalog. Open first link and type KB5028851. So this is guys latest update, so you can both are available 64 and 32. So we have to install first this one. Okay, click to download and then guys click to this link, automatically start, then close. If you using Mozilla, so close. If using Chrome, so automatically close this. And now this is downloading from here. And double click, prepare for installing. When your installation's done, because this is already installed for testing purpose, that's why it show already installed in your computer. Okay, so if not installed by settings features, so you can install manually. Okay, and if you show some errors from there, so please give me comment, I will help you quickly. Okay, take care, bye bye.